So, hello. Once again, I'm back on my old MacBook Pro 2012, running Void Linux, an independent Linux distribution. Today, before I will begin, once again, because I'm streaming on the Kick service and recording locally, I will have to check if everything is okay OBS wise. Yep, seemingly everything is well, both the stream and the recording. So let's start. I have already done few preparations in order to make this as quick as possible, and today's video is all about three very important F's. Not F's as the young people say nowadays, but more like, fish shell, Fastfetch, and Firewall. Anyway, I'm not sure, I don't remember the order of the things, how I did, because when I've been doing my Endeavor OS system and now with the Void Linux system, always what I'm doing, I'm tracking the steps, but sometimes not in order. I do it after the fact, sometimes couple days, maybe 4 days or 5 days after the fact. So maybe few steps here and there are mixed and maybe not work in the same order like I've been presenting them to you via my YouTube videos and streams. So whatever I'm going to say today, just like the rest of the days, maybe you have to do another thing first in order for these steps to work properly. Anyway, here is my terminal. I've prepared it in order to be able to just paste commands without wasting any more time, like trying to how can I say this, zoom in and out and fix the window in position, in place and all that. Anyway, as always, the first command should always be this, in my opinion, before you start doing anything else. This will check and update the system as needed, which I'm always doing it before I will start the stream recording and all that. Anyway, this first command that I will paste in the terminal will install the fish shell and Fastfetch. Now, for the fish shell, you need to do these things. The first thing is to do this. Basically, this one will try to search if you already have a few things in place, and if not, it will try to fix them for you. So by doing this, you will make sure that the fish shell will be installed correctly. After this long command, you need to do this in order to change the bash shell into the fish shell. Okay? And basically you are done, more or less. However, one last step related to Fastfetch and fish is this one. After you will do this, it will open this specific file, config.fish. It's in the text editor Nano, and inside there maybe you have few lines already written. Basically, you have to have these things. It's better if you don't already have if status like this and something else in between. Make it so if status is interactive, place Fastfetch and then end. When you will do this, save and exit Nano by doing Ctrl O, hitting the Enter key, and then Ctrl X, and you're done. Anyway, after you will do all these things, just relog, or even better perhaps restart, and you will be ready to enjoy Fastfetch and Fish like this. The next time you will open your terminal emulator, it will be like this. So yeah, this is my own Void Linux and my system's information. Of course, on your own system, on your own Linux distribution, you will have your own information. Anyway, and now the second F, Flatpaks. For those that don't know, Flatpak basically is another method of finding apps for your system. It's like, think of it like an app store, okay? So how do you install Flatpak? It's very easy. You do this command first. After you will do this command, you have to grab the repository for the Flatpak with this command. Once again, after you will do this, relog, or even better, restart, to make sure that everything will go as planned. And last but not least, maybe you need to install this one. It provides GUI for things that you can do internal, considered like settings for your Flatpaks. So if you need to change few things here and there for a Flatpak app, you can use this app called FlatShield. Now, this part here is related to firewall. In order to have a firewall in Void Linux, it already has few things built in. We just have to fix them, to enable them. Anyway, the first thing that you will need to do, maybe you can do this as a whole block. I will try to do it like this. I will show you like this. I will maximize the terminal. Basically all this. This one, if I remember correctly, it's I've done it on the bash shell, so better to do this before you will switch to the fish shell. Otherwise, you can use commands to do it. Use commands to enable bash and then do this, or maybe just do a nano, or just do your own editor, text editor, in order to fix this file. And then you can test things with these two commands. Basically, each line that starts with sudo, so you can do the first sudo and then the second sudo. Okay, basically what you will be doing with a whole block of text that I showed you just before. These things will test if you did correctly the previous steps or not. After you will do this, you can start up the service, you can check the status of the service, etc. with these commands, like so. Okay, and I will show you later on how to customize a few things. And with the next commands, when you will customize things, you can use these commands in order to reload the config, the firewall, and everything will be well. These commands here. Remember, it's sudo, it's one line execute, then second line execute. This is how you stop the firewall, basically. And this is how you disable it. How you disable the firewall. Okay. I have plenty of commands here. I will just give them. How can I say this? Just copy paste the commands here. This you can check if the ruined firewall service etc. works or has some kind of a failure or something. These are to customize to switch ports for SSH. These are to allow HTTP etc. Sorry, and this is not correct. This is the whole block. Sorry, my bad. This one. Okay. Once again, this block, if I remember correctly, I tried it on bash shell. So if you want to give a test this command, just do it before the fish shell change. And last but not least, this is to enable specific local traffic on your local network, I mean. Sorry, yeah. So yeah, basically these are the commands and everything related to, not everything, but mostly everything related to firewall on Void Linux. Of course, you can use other firewall solutions. This is not the end all be all, but this is the easiest thing if you have Void Linux installed to do. So let's just see now, for example, the status. If I remember correctly, I have it enabled. Yes. So yeah, all good. So yeah, basically this was it. The 3 F's for today. Fish, Fastfetch, Flatpak, Firewall. Or is that 4 F's? Anyway, really, this was it. I don't want to waste any more of your time. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye!